Drying laundry is always a hassle. You need to move wet laundry to the dryer after the wash cycle is done. This can be heavy, and it's time wasted that should be spent doing other things. Since you need to keep an eye on it until the wash is fully done, many people wished for a washer and dryer in one. It would be much more convenient. But these two machines are totally different. Could we really bring them together? We wanted to make it happen.
There were all-in-one washer-dryers before, but performance was always the issue. We didn't want to lower expectations on performance. We discovered a bold solution. Move the heat exchanger from the bottom to the top of the machine, which helped boost drying efficiency. Our goal was to lift it up without making the machine too tall, while keeping its size just right. Because when it comes to drying your clothes, size really makes a difference. Another key to performance was the airflow. Inside the product, a strong and steady stream of drying air had to circulate. Through extensive testing, we developed a technology that optimizes airflow. That's our duct system. There were obstacles along the way, but never failure. That's how every breakthrough is born.
Sure, combining the washer and dryer into one solved a lot of hassles, but there were still challenges left in doing laundry. Many people still just pressed the cotton cycle. We thought, if choosing the right settings feels complicated, what if the machine could simply decide for you? That's when we began exploring ways to use AI. It was a long and demanding journey, training the machine multiple times with data from numerous types of fabrics. But in the end, it learned to recognize the most common laundry types: cotton, towels, and delicates. Now, it can set the wash time and detergent amount on its own, based on types of fabric, weight, and soil level, helping you make the right choice for your laundry.
Some might ask, does it really matter if a washer can understand what we say? In fact, language is the simplest, most natural interface we have. Speaking is sometimes simpler than pressing buttons. If a combo could recognize voice, what would people say to it? You can say,
"Hi Bixby, open the door."
And the machine does it. Or say, "Hi Bixby,"
Set the finish time of the washer to 6 p.m.
and it will schedule it for you. By creating a wide range of scenarios and training with repeated data, the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo has learned to understand diverse consumer lifestyles.
There are always boundaries to what a product can do. For example, vibration from laundry machines can be a reason to not do laundry at night. How did we reduce noisy vibration? We studied the environment where the machine was placed and found that vibrations are closely linked to the hardness of the floor. Using sensors on the drum and body, vibrations are precisely measured and analyzed by AI algorithms, which adjust the spin cycle to reduce vibration based on actual conditions, helping consumers move a step further away from vibration, noise, and restrictions.
For a better life, we continue to pursue new challenges every day.
Enabling better living. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo.